Welcome to Always Dolls. We're so glad you're here. Today we are decorating another room in the dollhouse. In this video we show you our doll's master bedroom. We are going for a purple, blue and teal colour scheme with pops of pink. We also have for you a bonus unboxing of our generation's glitz and glamour set. So let's get decorating!
On the right-hand side of the dollhouse is a separate unit with 3 equal-sized rooms. The coffee shop's at the bottom, the living room's in the middle, and now we will decorate the top room. As before, it's been emptied and cleaned. For architectural detail, we made panelling from white 5mm foam board. We'll also finish up the window with another foam board frame. We choose to make ours permanent by using hot glue to adhere it directly to the walls of the dollhouse. The curtain is a purple chiffon scarf and we use small sewing pins to tack it to the frame. To help this room feel more mature, we are going to use our DIY fireplace. We made this almost 4 years ago and it's held up really well during play. On the mantle we placed our gold candlesticks, some flowers in blue vases, and other bric-a-brac. We bought Kira's gold mirror separately off an eBay listing. The fire element is made from electric tea candles and we have 2 black potted plants on either side. For a rug, we're using a neutral grey cloth placemat. In the corner, we placed American Girl's Dreamy Nightstand and we're using the purple AG bed. We will use the white duvet from Rebecca's bed and a combination of handmade and American Girl pillows. By layering the bed with different colours and sizes of pillows, we hope to make it feel more luxurious. At the bottom of the bed, we will add American Girl's teal throw blanket. We decorated the nightstand with a bouquet of blue and mauve flowers, a clock, tissue box and glass of water. Above the bed, we've placed a lavish peacock artwork and Regency-inspired silhouettes on black foam board. On the adjacent wall, we have our flower tapestry from Kira's DIY platform tent accessories video. Now let's decorate the blank wall. For furniture, we will place the Our Generation vanity.
We bought this set on special at our local Target. That comes with a white vanity unit and a pink plastic ottoman, a Best Actress award, 2 mini lipsticks, plastic glittery powder box with lid and poof. It's really fluffy. Sculpted eyeshadow brush. It would have been nice if it had real bristles. 2 nail polishes. They don't open though. And a heart-shaped perfume bottle. This is our favourite piece. It's also a glittery script book. The pages are blank so you can write your own story. The button on the side activates the lights around the mirror. This is a really cool feature.
To keep with our colour theme, we've switched out the ottoman and instead are using Our Generation's blue dining table chair. On the vanity, we are displaying a mix of OG and AG pieces along with our DIY Chanel makeup. The vanity drawers open easily and inside we have our DIY Tiffany & Co. jewellery. Click the link top right to see how to make custom pieces for your dolls. Our doll's master bedroom is looking good. We just have a few finishing touches left. Here, we are using adhesive Velcro strips to attach our chandelier. It was made from a plastic lid and a coat hanger. We threaded pearl and crystal beads onto florist wire so it would keep its shape. Everything was painted gold, including the casing of the pop light inside. We added a matching peacock artwork to the wall and beside the vanity is an AG gold lantern. We hope you enjoyed watching us decorate our doll's master bedroom. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.
See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!